Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Infinity. In this video I am going to explain you about the wiring and working of distribution panel. This one is a distribution panel powered only by transformer, not by DG. So here you can see at the top left there is an voltmeter selector switch, ammeter and an ammeter selector switch. Also there are phase indicators here, RYB phase indicators. The wiring of voltmeter and ammeter I have shown you in the previous panel videos. You can check that video for detailed wiring of voltmeter and ammeter. This one is an circuit breaker, 3 circuit breakers for the protection of the 3 phase indicators. So this one is a main MCCB here. This one is an 400 ampere main MCCB and the incoming of the transformer is connected to the phase in of the MCCB. So as you can see here, this one is an 400 ampere main MCCB, and at the output of this MCCB the bus bars are connected, and to these bus bars a CT is connected for ammeter wiring. The CT is required for ammeter wiring. This one is an 400 by 5 ampere class 1 CT, as you can see here. So we have used this CT for ammeter wiring. As you can see here, the CT is used for ammeter wiring and the detailed wiring is shown in the previous video. You can check that video too. So a main MCCB is used. For a main MCCB, bus bars are taken out, and to the bus bars a CT is connected. Here you can see the bus bar chamber is below the bottom, at the bottom of the panel. In the previous panel videos the bus bar chamber was at the top of the panel. So here we are using a bus bar chamber at the bottom of the panel, and here you can see this one are the insulators to prevent leakage of current in the body of this panel. So here we are using insulators between bus bars and the panel body. So there are more bus bars, more insulators here, as you can see here. Here you can see there is a T junction here, and the bus bar chamber is present at the center of the panel here, as you can see here, and the power is distributed at the left and right side circuit breakers too, as you can see here, with the help of cable and as well as the bus bars. Also there is a bus bar chamber at the extreme right of the panel. As you can see here, there is a bus bar chamber at the extreme right of the panel, and there is also cable chambers too. So here you can see this one is an bus bar chamber at the center of the panel, and there are 4 bus bars here, R, Y, B and neutral. And here you can see we are taking a cables from these bus bars and giving a supply power to the phase-ins of the circuit breaker. As you can see here, this one are circuit breakers, 32 ampere circuit breakers, 2-pole circuit breakers of 8 quantity, and from the phase out of these circuit breakers we are connecting it to terminal blocks. So as you can see here, these are the terminal blocks. These are 2-wire terminal blocks, as you can see here, R neutral, Y neutral, B neutral. Similarly there are 8 terminal blocks here. Here you can see this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 one terminal block, and below that you can see these are 4 wide 3-phase terminal blocks. These are of 4 quantity. These are for 4 circuit breakers we have used at the side of this. So here you can see these are 4 circuit breakers, 463 ampere 4-pole circuit breakers. So we are using a cable, we are taking a cable from this bus bar chamber for supplying the power to the phase-in of these 63 ampere circuit breakers. As you can see here, these are of 4 quantity and of 4-pole 63 ampere circuit breakers here, and the phase out of these circuit breakers are connected to these terminal blocks present here. These are 4 wide 3-phase terminal blocks. Here you can see we have used bus bar instead of cable to transfer the power to the phase-in of the MCCB. So as you can see here, this one is an 250 ampere MCCB, and if the ampere rating is above 100 ampere we have to use bus bars instead of cable. Hence we are using a bus bars here and a 250 ampere MCCB. Here you can see this one is an output chamber or cable chamber, and the load is connected from this chamber. At the bottom of that there are more circuit breakers located here. Here you can see this one is also a 63 ampere circuit breakers of 4 quantity of 4-pole. And here you can see these are the terminal blocks here. As you can see here, these are 3-phase 4-wire terminal blocks, R, Y, B and neutral. So here you can see these are also of 4 quantity. These 4 terminal blocks are for 4 circuit breakers, 463 ampere circuit breakers. There is also a pair of 63 ampere circuit breaker at the bottom of that, and the terminal blocks of these are present at the behind of these terminal blocks. this bus bar, the power is also transferred to the circuit breakers located at the right side too. So here you can see there are 3 pole circuit breakers located at the right side of this bus bar chamber. This one is an output chamber, as you can see here, or else we can call it as cable chamber. This one is a 3 pole circuit breaker, as you can see here, and the neutral is separately connected, as you can see here. And there is also a bus bar chamber at the extreme right of the panel, as you can see here, and these are also 3 pole circuit breakers, and neutral is connected directly, as you can see here. Here you can see we have used an rubber insulator between the phases connected to the MCCBs to prevent any short circuit, as you can see here. So that's all in this video, guys. Hope you have liked this video and found this video very useful. Subscribe to my channel Electrical Infinity, like this video, share this video with your friends, and to learn electrical up to infinite, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.